big thank you, a big hand please for Steve doing the sound tonight. Steve! Okay, also want to thank Alan and Jerry for asking me to do this. I was kind of sitting at home doing nothing. They encouraged me to come out and do this. They pestered me.
Yes!
Big guy up there, my brother-in-law, Big T. One of the best guys in the whole business. Top man. Do you know, there's a few people here I went to school with, and I haven't seen you for a long time, but I'll tell you man, I'm really happy to see you all. Eddie, Frank, Peter,
yourself, mate. You never went to school.
Brenda, just anybody who's there who knew me for the old days.
You're still 28.
I'm an old guy there. I was 55 in January. Most musicians have retired by then and gave up gigs, but no, the ego must be fed. The ego must be fed.
You're more 55.
Let's be safe too.
Battery. 15 seconds left of the battery.